Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Erica, and today's video is a collab with Little Crafty Kitty. We have been working on this project for probably about a couple of months now, it feels like, and we made a sweet shop for our little calico critters. Now, mine is a little bit big because I wanted multiple calico critters to fit in there. But before I show you the inside, I want to talk about the outside. The outside was something that I really wanted to focus on too, because I want to use this in future videos and unboxings and things like that. And I also want to enter it in the craft fair that I enter in every year, which is a 4-H free craft fair, and it's just always so much fun. So I'm going to show you some of the things that I made. The shop is not completely done on the inside because I still need to make a whole bunch more miniatures to go inside, but I'm going to go ahead and show you on the outside. So I did make it, and I still have paint on me, so excuse that. But anyways, I had made this little menu easel, and I do plan on later on adding like some words and stuff. I did try to write menu on the back, but yeah, I need to go over that and fix that. But what I did was, since I did not do a tutorial on it, I used 2 clothespins, and I had broke them apart, and I used those for the legs. This is a little bitty skewer, and then I cut a popsicle stick in half right down here just so it would fit, and I did it for the side right here so it would be more sturdy. So there is the little easel. I think it's really cute. I also wanted a greenery because I wanted there to be an outside. Like I said, I wanted to focus on that too. And so the grass and stuff is from Temu. So are those little flowers. Like I went ahead and I mixed up the flowers a little bit because I can change those out later if I want to. I can change them out for any color without having to take the stems off, which is nice. So over here is actually something that I will include right here of how I did it. But basically it's just grass. You can see that there's a bead right there that's holding this stem up, which is just like a very large flower, and I love it. It's kind of resembling a tree like I wanted. So the name was something I kind of wanted to do, diabetes, you know, like, but I'll call it diabetes, but I changed my mind and I went with the sugar hive. I think it's really cute. I don't know if you can see the gold, but I'm not a fan of gold, but I really wanted this shop to be like, ooh, you know, and I felt like the gold was better with the pink and the teal versus silver, and I love me some silver. So I also wanted a bay window. So for the bay window, I think I may still have a clip of how I did that, and I will insert that somewhere along here. And I want to focus on this. So nothing is glued down on the bay window because I want to use this as a storefront for like when holidays come around. I can put like my holiday treats up front, and then, you know, like I just think it'd be cute. And you will see that I did make a little curtain up there, and it's got those fun colors that kind of says sweet shop a little bit. I love the colors that I chose, and at first I wasn't gonna do an awning, and then I was just like, it needs an awning, and I love it. And this trim is from Temu, and I just think it ties it all together nicely with the pink and white gingham. So anyways, over here at the door, I got these from Temu, but they were silver, so I had to paint them gold. And this is just a bead, and I just put like a bead cover over it, and I painted it gold, and I used a hinge to attach the door. The door is not perfect, okay? Like, nothing in this place is perfect, but it's mine, and I absolutely love it, and I worked so hard on it. So I glued on some lace right here just for an extra pinky detail. But back to the outside, before we go inside and show you. On the outside, I did a hot glue technique where you do bricks and stuff. At first, I wasn't going to do that. I was going to do, you know, just like paint it and call it good. but I wanted the texture. I felt like the texture was something that was really needed. And so I even have like little lines of details and stuff throughout the entire project on the outside, and I absolutely love it. So that is what I was going for. And I do want to make a mat down here that says like welcome or something, but like I just like threw this part together today and I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you on the inside. So this is the back wall, and I would like to mention that it is hinged. I was going to do magnets, but I changed my mind and I went for something simple, which was the hinge, but it actually wasn't that simple at all. It was kind of a pain in the butt. So anyways, I had made this counter in a previous video, and I will link that in the description box down below, and I added some new treats inside, and you can see that some of them have spilled out. But I made this little lollipop holder, and the lollipops are made of hot glue sticks and paper clips. Now I love this rustic looking cash register. Like, it looks so old. I love it. It's not perfect, but I love it. And I added a doll plate with some nail art stickers. And then those are my little tier trays that I worked on. Again, it's not glued down, neither is the lace, so I can like change it out during the holidays and stuff. And I need to stock the shelves because there's really nothing on the shelves. Like over here, there's just like little bags of candy that's actually not even, you know, anything in it. It's just like white paper bags. And then like it got some cardstock down there that's like supposed to be like candy bars and stuff. But for the walls, I painted them pink. I really love the pink. And if you're curious about the shelves, I have a video already of how to make these. And it was from a die cut that I got off of Temu. And I absolutely love it. It was not meant to be like a 3D shelf, but I wanted it to be, so I created that on my own. And over here on the floor, this paper is actually from Dollar Tree forever ago. I think I may still have a clip of how I did this part. If not, then you won't get to see it. But anyways, it's from Dollar Tree, and so is this little cupcake paper. Like, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And I think it's so cute, and I think it's perfect for the shop. Okay, so right here is something that I wanted to do. You'll see like a gap right here, but this is the way I wanted it. I wanted it to be able to open this wall. So like when I'm playing around in here, like there's like a big space and stuff. So I do know that I need to make like a floor extension, but I'm in no hurry of doing that. So I made some pretzels and a little container on my Cricut. And this down here, the countertop, is actually those shelves. I did 2 shelves together, but instead of adding the shelf part to it, I cut that off and just did like 2 of the base parts. And I really like that. I think it's really cute. I was gonna add some gold detail, and then I like ended up changing my mind later on, so you can kind of see like my little mess up. But okay, so to go with the little pretzels and the fruit on this little popsicle platter, I made this chocolate fountain. Like, I saw Calico Critter had a picture of a chocolate fountain, and I believe it came from like the Sweet Buffet. I don't have any of those playsets or anything, and I was like, I can DIY that. And I'm not entirely sure if I still have a video of how I did it, but if I do, I'll insert it here. But it's basically made out of paper and hot glue and lots of paint, and I absolutely love it. And then I on my Cricut, I made this frame and I painted it gold, and I made these little bags, and I added some gold trim for the handles. And I absolutely love this project so much. And it's the same thing like over here on the tier trays. I wanted them to be gold, and the reason why I went with gold was like when I painted the one with the Mickey ears, I painted that one gold first, and I was like, oh, I love it. I was like, this shop needs something gold. And, you know, like, Willy Wonka is the candy man, and, you know, like, he has the golden tickets. So I guess that's kind of like the inspiration a little bit now that I'm thinking of it. I wasn't thinking of Willy Wonka when I was making this, but I was thinking that my Calico Critters is absolutely going to love this. So I'm going to insert a little short story and I will see you all in the next one. Definitely go check out Little Crafty Kitty's video in the description box down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Harrison is busy painting the finishing touches of the Sugar Hive sweet shop. Harrison hears the soft giggles of his children picking out treats, and he wonders if they picked him out a treat too. Little Toby and Grace giggle as they walk out of the Sugar Hive. Toby has a bag full of taffy to share with his dad, and Grace has a blue raspberry sour lollipop. Melinda is busy behind the counter. Her first 2 customers were her children. Patsy is strolling her cranky twins to the Sugar Hive. Maybe a treat will appease them.